रशिया का तेल, यूएस का खेल और बीच में अटका इंडिया का तालमेल। तो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने इंडिया पे 25% का टैरिफ लागू कर दिया है और 25% और लागू करने वाले हैं 27 अगस्त तक, अगर कोई और ट्रेड डील नहीं हुई तो। इसका इंडिया पे क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा? सबसे पहला, एज अ इकोनॉमी हम अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2% ऑफ द जीडीपी यूएस को एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो एज अ इकोनॉमी वी आर नॉट वेरी अफेक्टेड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, बट क्या कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज को अफेक्ट होगा स्पेसिफिक? यस, बिल्कुल होगा। देखिए, अगर आईटी इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, नॉट मच टैरिफ ऑन दैट, तो डायरेक्टली इंपैक्ट होना मुश्किल है। हाँ, बट अगर वीजा रेगुलेशन में कुछ चेंजेस आ गए, देन आईटी इंडस्ट्री में बी इम्पैक्टेड एंड क्लाइंट्स are trying not to work with Indian company because of economic uncertainty. That is a possibility. A lot of pharmaceutical companies, on the other hand, export to US, and their major clients are outside India, including European Union and US. They will be very highly impacted by the tariff. Jewelry में अगर मैं बात करूँ, टाइटन का ज्वेलरी डिवीजन या वैभव ग्लोबल, राजेश एक्सपोर्ट्स, they have a lot of good part of their revenue being exported outside India. और अगर टैरिफ्स इंप्लीमेंट हो जाते हैं, these guys will really be impacted in terms of their performance. Other companies or industry which will be impacted can be textiles. Companies like Welspun, Trident, Raymond, ये सब export करते हैं अपने products. If India stops importing the oil from Russia accounts for 35% of the oil imports of India. India has to go to other countries obviously to import the oil. That can change the world market situation a little bit, which might lead to artificial inflation of the prices also. कितना inflation होगा ये तो देखना पड़ेगा. But if the oil prices go up, obviously oil extraction companies like ONGC and others, including private player like Reliance, will benefit, and refineries also may not be as much as extraction, but refineries like Reliance again will also benefit. On the economic front, हमारा जो बिल है, ऑयल का इंपोर्ट का बिल है, will go up by $9 billion in next year, and after that maybe more than $11 billion also. Very interesting thing that is happening is China has now started extending their hand of friendship, because China is seeing this as an opportunity to build their relationship. अगर US का relationship खराब हो रहा है, China सोच रहा है क्यों ना हम relationship build करें. So they have now opened up their airspace and they are talking about resuming their direct flights with India. Urea exports को reconsider कर रहे हैं. In fact, there may be a reset in pharma and fertilizers also. Now China is also talking about visit to India and talking to Indian delegates. So Russia US का फायदा होगा ये तो नहीं पता, China अपना फायदा जरूर करवा रहा है. What is next now is two things. One, the delegates of India are directly talking to US delegates, and there's a lot of back and forth happening obviously. But the most expected meeting is now happening between Donald Trump and Putin. Although solution is not very simple दोनों parties के लिए, but अगर यहाँ पे कुछ भी काम कर गया, it will be very beneficial. But if things don't work out, India might have to choose a side. Let's see.